see you beside me, it's only a dream, vision of what used to be. The laughter, the sorrow, pictures in time, fading to memories. How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let you know?
Diba bukas na naman nag-send natin pag-usapan? But I really appreciate you opening up to me right now. It's just that hindi ko alam kung anong mafe-feel ko. Hindi ko alam kung paano mag-respond sa'yo.
So come back to me, I'm down on my knees. Boy, can't you see? How could I ever let you go? Is it too late to let